Hello guys, in this video we will learn how we can populate a custom XML layout in an AlertDialog in Kotlin. Actually, it's a common requirement when we have to populate a custom layout instead of using a native AlertDialog. My name is Asad Ali and I am a professional software engineer having experience in mobile apps development. In this video series, we will discuss solutions to the common problems a mobile developer have to face. So please subscribe my channel so that you should get updates of my latest videos. In this video, we will populate this XML layout having a title and a text view with description and a button. But obviously you can populate your own XML according to your needs. Before we start, I want to mention I have already written an article on this topic on my website handyopinion.com. You can just go to this link handyopinion.com. It's mentioned in the description. You can just go to that link and copy the code. So let's get started. Well, so first of all, we need to create our custom layout. For that, just right click on layout, new layout resource file. Here write layout underscore dialog, name of your XML layout. Well, so here instead of writing the same code again, as I mentioned, I'll just copy the same code. Here it's layout underscore dialog, just copy it. I will explain it later what it's actually doing. Okay, so you can see in this XML layout we have our relative layout, a root layout, and then a text view inside it that is shown here in blue color. That's the title, then detail, another text view, and finally a button. So it's just a sample XML layout which will populate in an AlertDialog. Okay, so first of all we need to create an object of AlertDialog. So dialog, AlertDialog. Okay, I'm not initializing it here. We'll initialize it later. We also need to create another object for builder. AlertDialog.builder. It takes context as a parameter. We can pass this. Oops. Then to get reference of our view object, we need to use layout inflator. Layout inflator dot inflate. Here we need to pass the reference of our dialog layout or dot layout underscore dialog. The second parameter, it wants the root layout object, but I'm passing as a null. So using this view object, we can access our all layout elements as we have text views and button here. So using this view object, we can get reference of all those views. For example, view dot find view by id r dot oops not here r dot id dot tv title tv title text view like this. Same line I will copy it for the other text view, tv detail, and a third one for button. Obviously we have to add a click listen for that button. bt done, bt done. Okay, so here I can set the text of these using these references. Dot set text dialog title. So the basic purpose of showing this that you can use these references, text view reference, to populate your view, and you can do this for all of your views. TV detail, this is detail of the dialog. Okay, so we also want to dismiss this dialog when this done button is clicked, right? So for that we need to put a click listener, bt done dot set on click listener, view dot on click listener. Here we can dismiss this dialog dot dismiss because it's a nullable, so I need to put question mark here. Okay, so it's saying it should be initialized, so I can initialize it with null. We'll assign it value later. Okay, so here I can set this view to my builder dot set view. I will set this view which I have just prepared for the dialog. Then we can write builder dot create. This create method returns us the reference to an alert dialog. Here we are going to initialize our dialog with this alert dialog returned by the builder dot create method. That's it. Next we just need to show the dialog. That's it. So let's run this code. Okay, here it is. As I've shown this alert dialog in my own create method, so when my app is started, it's automatically shown and you can see my layout is populated and all those values I set it here, it's populated. And when I will press done button, it will be dismissed. That's it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something new in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you should get updates of my latest videos. Thank you.